In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disabled MetaPay account by requesting a review using the account restoration form on the Meta Help Center. If you found yourself in this situation, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in to get your MetaPay account back up and running smoothly. First, you need to navigate to the Meta Help Center. This is your go-to resource for resolving any issues with your Meta account, including getting back access to a disabled MetaPay service. Once you're on the Help Center's main page, you should look for the section dedicated to account issues or restoration. This is where you'll potentially find the specific tools you need to request a review of your disabled MetaPay account. Now, the key step is to locate the account restoration form. This form is essential because it's the official way to ask Meta to review your account and potentially reverse the disabling of your MetaPay access. Fill out this form with as much detail and accuracy as possible. You'll likely be asked to provide specific information such as your account details and possibly the circumstances surrounding why your account might have been disabled. Be honest and clear about your situation. The more transparent you are, the better your chances for a quick and favorable resolution. After filling out and submitting the account restoration form, you will need to patiently wait for a response from Meta. They will communicate with you via email, so it's crucial to keep an eye on your inbox. Additionally, they will also update your case status in your support inbox within the Meta platform. This is where you'll find any notifications or correspondence related to your request, so make sure you stay updated there as well. It's really important to act quickly once you decide to appeal the decision on your disabled account. Often there might be a specific time window in which you're able to appeal. Missing this window might complicate or delay the process further, so prioritize this task to stand the best chance of a speedy resolution. To wrap up, by following these steps, visiting the Meta Help Center, locating and filling out the account restoration form accurately, and keeping tabs on your email and support inbox, you're giving yourself the best shot at fixing your disabled MetaPay account efficiently. Remember, staying on top of deadlines is crucial in ensuring your appeal gets the attention it needs without unnecessary delays. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you restore your MetaPay account swiftly. Be sure to leave a comment if you have questions and subscribe for more helpful tips. Good luck and see you in the next video.